Okay, I got one more for you. This one, notice one that we haven't really done is you get a negative amplitude. I want to show you this just to kind of show you what the graph looks like with the negative amplitude. Okay, so again, same thing as always. Our amplitude is -2. Our K value is 1/4. Our period, again, it's pi divided by K for tangent. Okay, so that would be pi divided by 1/4, which is 4 pi. Your increments, you're always going to take that and divide by 4. Your phase shift, once again, it is not just this. You have to divide that by K. Okay, and that would give you 2 pi, and that's left. And your vertical shift is a -1. Okay? Plotting points, or labeling, right? Again, increments, use them. It's easy when it's pi. Then there's no fractions involved. It's 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. Simple, okay? -pi, -2 pi, -3 pi, -4 pi. All right, I'm gonna go every one for this one, just because I feel like it. Really no other reason why. Okay, all right. Chart. Where do we want to start? Okay, well, we're going 2 pi to the left, so we need to start at -2 pi. Okay, and again, write out if this is always extremely helpful. If you are struggling at all with the graphing aspect of it, write that out. Okay, always start in the middle 0. So at -2 pi, we're plugging in that 0, right? And remember, that gets plugged in to that. Okay, we took care of this in here with your K and your period, and we took care of that by starting at -2 pi. So we just have these two left, right? So it's -2 times 0 minus 1, -1. At -pi, we're plugging in the 1. -2 times 1 minus 1, -3. At 0, we're undefined. At pi, -2 times -1 minus 1 would give you a +1. And then 2 pi, you're plugging in the 0 again. Again, if you want, keep going. Keep following the pattern. Plug more points in if you feel you need to, okay? So let's plot these things, right? So at -2 pi, we're at -1. Pi, we're at -3. At 0, we're there, okay? And then 1, -1. Okay, and where do you think it would be at 3 pi? It's going to be a -3. And then you got undefined. Okay, again, working backwards if you're struggling with this. That's why this works out well. You move right when you're going right, like that. Okay, so we have up to -2 pi at -3 pi. Remember, -2 pi we plugged in the 0. So for -3 pi, we're plugging in a -1. Right, which would give us 1. And then at -4 pi, we're plugging in the 0 to give us our next undefined. Okay, and then your graph looks like this. Okay, and notice because it's a negative amplitude, which way your graph is going. It's going this way. It's going down to the right instead of up to the right. Okay, so that's what a negative amplitude looks like. I wanted to show you guys that because I hadn't done one yet. So there you go.